Let's give your Gevi VelPro 400 coffee grinder a thorough deep cleaning. First, ensure the power is turned off. Prepare a brush and a cloth for cleaning. Put a dish under the grind outlet to catch any stray ground coffee that may fall. Detach the bean hopper extension. Use the brush to clean the bean hopper and bean hopper extension. Place the bean hopper extension on the bean hopper. Remove the outer ring cover. Rotate the inner ring cover anti-clockwise to remove the grind setting dial. Remove the movable grinding burr. Make sure to store the bolt securely and do not discard it. Use the brush to clean the grinding components and the grind chamber. Use the brush to clean the grind setting dial. Use the brush to clean the retaining threads. Reinstall the movable grinding burr assembly. Carefully place the bolt back in the original position to prepare for reassembly. The black marks on the dial align the dot. Reattach the grind cover by turning it clockwise. Reattach the outer ring, aligning the dot positions. Use the brush to clean the grind outlet. Remove the dish. Wipe the machine and outlet with a clean cloth. Now your Gevi VelPro 400 coffee grinder is clean and ready to use again.